Finding time for fitness can be tough, especially with a packed schedule. But with just a few minutes a day and no equipment required, you can stay in shape right from home. Bodyweight squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees and lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Push back up. Do 3 sets of 15 reps for strong legs and glutes. Push-ups, a classic move that targets your chest, arms and core. Start in a plank position and lower your body, then push back up. Modify by doing them on your knees if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 10. Plank hold. Get into a forearm plank position and hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. This engages your core and improves stability and endurance. Lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push back up and alternate legs. Do 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg. Glute bridges lie on your back, knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then lower back down. Do 3 sets of 15. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thanks for watching.